Hey guys, what is up? My name is Scheiße. My name is Shaun Roselt and welcome to my Delphi Programming Series. So in the previous video we learned how to create this little style setter program where you just basically select a style such as Windows 10 green, and then you click on set style, and then it basically just sets the style for you. So you can set any style you want for your app and it will set that style. Let's actually add a component. Like there is some Windows 10 components specifically here. Add like a toggle switch and a search box and a calendar view. Okay, this is actually some cool components. I like these new components. So yeah, so now in this video we're going to be learning how to actually like save these files in a text file, or not just files, save these styles in a text file. Let's start by doing that. Let's saving and loading them. Let's add a global variable called txt styles of type text file. So we'll be saving this text file in the same folder as the exe. So let's save it. We will go here, show in Explorer, and Win32. So here's my exe. Let's actually change the name of this thing. We'll say saving loading styles text files. Okay, let's compile again quickly. And now here we can find the exe of the program. Yes, let's start. So every time we set the style, we want to save it as well. So let's do that. Assign file, and then we say txt styles. Will be in the same folder. We'll just call this file style.txt. Then we say rewrite txt styles. Then we say write line txt styles, and we'll just write the combo book. Let's actually add a variable here. Variable of type is style selected of type string, and here you can just add set this equals to the combo box1 dot text. Then we can replace this with the variable, and here we just write to the text file this thing. Then we can close the file. Close file txt styles. This is quite simple. For instance, if we now compile this program, we select a style such as the Ruby where is it? Ruby graphite style. We set the style, it is set, we exit the program. So here it created the text file for us. Can I maybe increase the font size from here? Okay, now maybe here the style is set. Let's open this Notepad++. So you can see it just saved the style's name in the text file. This is what it does. And if we open the program again, it doesn't yet load the text file, the style, but it does save it at this moment. I guess that works. I really like this calendar. Anyway, so now let's load it. So every time the person opens the program, we want it to be loaded. So now before we start, let's actually first go and where is that file now? Let's actually go and delete the text file. Okay, so let's start here by writing some code. We'll just basically check if the file exists. So if file exists, the style.txt file, then let's create it if it doesn't exist. So if it doesn't exist, let's just copy and paste this code. But I would suggest not to copy and paste because you're not really learning anything. I already know this, you don't, so, or maybe you do, I don't know, but I'm assuming you don't, so just rewrite this. And else begin. So if the file doesn't exist, it will if the file does exist, then run this code. So if the file doesn't exist, it will run this. So if the file exists, then assign file txt styles, also style.txt. We, instead of rewriting it, we will just reset it. Reset puts the cursor at the start of the text file, and rewrite basically deletes the file and creates it again. Then instead of write line, we say read line, not write line, ln. The ln stands for line. txt styles, and we can read the line to name this style name, so it will read the style and save it into this variable. And then we just close the file again, close file txt styles. And then we actually have to set the style, so we just say TStyleManager dot set style, and we set the style name. So this code basically what it does is it checks if the style.txt exists, this text file. If it exists, then it checks what is saved and it sets it. If it doesn't exist, then it creates it. So as you can see, the file doesn't exist at this moment. So if we compile the program, we get an error. What is the error? Oh, this should be txt styles. It will just say typing error. If you compile, now the thing is compiled, and we'll see it actually created this text file for us. Okay, let's open it in Notepad++. So let's set a style such as turquoise gray. Now the style is set. Let's select a different style, say a night. Yeah, this is okay. Let's exit the program. As if we run it again, it will not actually load the file because it already exists, as you can see. For instance, let's select carbon, close it, let's open it via the txt, the exe, and it still saves the file and now even loads it as well. So yes, actually a better way or a better place to load the file would be here. So let's actually create a double variable again. We'll just say it saving path of type string. In the onCreate event, we'll just start by saving it here. Saving path. I usually save my files at the t path dot t path is part of the vcl dot utils, I think it's sort of that. Just not spell it though. Why isn't my auto completion working? Let me just check a different project quickly. Sorry, I have it here. Oh, whoa, not this big. No. What is the I think it's not in this project. Oh, here it is. Well, oh, it's system, not VCL. Okay, that's what's my problem. It's not in VCL, it is in the system.utils unit. So add this unit to your users list. and then in the on create event, which is this one, we say tpath dot get documents path. So if we actually show message this, or let's put it into the label here, this label, okay, label 1 dot caption colon equals saving path. You will see it actually gives us the path on your computer where your documents are. Let's also add dot path delim. This will add a slash for you, as you can see, and this is usually where I save my files or settings for a program, such as this type of settings. So now let's use a saving path and just also add this name, and then we can just everywhere we just replace this with the variable as well as here at the top. And so this is where our text file will now be saved at this place. Just select a different one now. Okay, so now if we go to my documents, let's just delete the style here now. So now the file will be saved as my documents. Here's my documents. If I scroll down here, we'll find the style txt, and we open it, we will see, boom, here the aqua light slate is now saved. Okay, so this was just the basic tutorial on how to save and load the styles via a text file. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, and if this video helped you in any way, then please make sure to support me by leaving a thumbs up, sharing this video, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!